Hi! In front of me is STK LIFE 9, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Then go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can select the photo that you wish to apply by clicking on your favorite one. I will go with that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. After that, tap on Done and choose Key Borders to enable or disable them. When you're ready, just apply, go back, and now as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!